We're at Scrawsdon Mill in Golberdon to see this 3-bedroom brand newly converted conversion here. So the property comes with half of this barn, which is a fantastic size. So it's approached just up this driveway. There is on the end access for vehicles. There's also 2 parking spaces up there. So this is the garden. Plenty of space for entertaining and so on. Quality of finish is really spectacular. So the property is heated through air source. There's also further parking just to the front here for 1 vehicle. So it's accessed just down this lane down here. So it's a nice access driveway. So let me take you inside. Now as you enter, really get a feel for how lovely quality this property is. So firstly we have the kitchen diner. Really lovely little quirks like these windows here. Included in the kitchen is a dishwasher, fridge, freezer, oven and hob. So a small understairs cupboard just here. There's also the benefit of a WC, and downstairs there is underfloor heating. So as we lead up these few steps here, this is the very large lounge. So it looks right out. You can step onto your garden just there. This little hamlet here is probably around about 5 or 6 neighbours. So up these few steps, another door onto your garden. And this is utility room. So leading back through, I'll show you to the 3 bedrooms. There is an ensuite and a rather luxury bathroom. Carpets here are really, really soft as well. So lovely beams throughout. Firstly, I'll show you into the bathroom. So you've got a shower over the bath and a skylight just there. So this bedroom has 3 little windows. Look at that for ceiling height. So really lovely suite room just here. Show you into this end bedroom here, another skylight. So that also looks out onto your garden. And finally is the master. Really is just such a lovely house. Look at that for windows. Looks right out to the garden. Finally, the ensuite, which has rather luxury walk-in shower. If you're interested, do get in contact with Fine & Country.